everyone, and welcome to my channel. So this week I have a haul video for you. And I know I posted one of these kind of recently, but in my defense, all the pieces from last time were bought a fairly long time ago. And unlike the last video, all the pieces I'll be showing this time should be good for the whole season. And yeah, I'm really excited to show you guys the things I picked up. I love fall fashion. Fall is definitely one of my favorite times to dress for. But really quickly before we get started, I just wanted to say that if you like this video and want to see more from me, please subscribe to my channel. That'd be super amazing and I'd be really grateful. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first thing I have to show you is from Topshop, and it's definitely on the more expensive side. So if you're considering getting these, I'd definitely make sure you really like them and are going to get a lot of wear out of them. And really quickly, I'm super sorry that these are so wrinkly. I didn't have time to iron them. And I'm going on vacation tomorrow, so it was sort of now or never. And yeah, the first piece is these really cool pleated shorts from Topshop. So I love these shorts, and I think my favorite part about them is that they give the illusion that you're wearing a skirt. I mean, don't get me wrong, I like skirts, but I also like having the freedom to move or sit however I'd like without worrying about flashing people. Anyway, I also really like the design and fabric of these shorts. The snaps and the pleats give it a retro sort of feel, and the fabric is heavy, so the shorts hold their shape really well and are very structured looking. Up next, I have a couple things from American Eagle, and the first one is actually this cardigan that I'm wearing. So I think this is the perfect slouchy cardigan for fall. For starters, the rust color is amazing. It's not too red and it's not too brown, and the fabric is really soft. And I think it's the right amount of oversized. It's big, but it's not so big that you're drowning in it, and I also really like the balloon sleeves. And yeah, I think this is just going to be the best thing to layer and snuggle up in all season. So this next piece is also from American Eagle, but I got it off of Poshmark. And it's this really pretty cold shoulder sweater dress. So I'm super picky about sweater dresses, but this one has all the things I'm looking for. The cold shoulder cut and warm neutral color give it a really romantic sort of feel. And the length and fit are perfect. It's long enough that I don't feel overexposed, but it's not so long that it would look weird with over-the-knee boots. And it's fitted, but not so fitted that you can see everything going on underneath it, which is nice. I also really love the slight ballooning at the sleeves. Moving on, I grabbed a couple basics from H&M, and the first thing is this short sleeve mock neck. So I know there isn't anything too exciting going on with this top, but I really like it. I love mock necks, and I've always wanted a short sleeve one, and I think this one is really good. I like that it's ribbed, but not so much so that it's noticeable, and even though it's white, it's not sheer at all. And I think it's going to be perfect for tucking into high-waisted pieces like the shorts I showed you earlier. And the next and last thing from H&M is this really snazzy belt. So I think this belt is really chic looking and is going to look great paired with some high-waisted jeans. You're definitely going to want to size down though if you plan on wearing this higher up. I didn't, and I'm going to have to drill a hole in it, but that's okay because I like having the option to wear it at the waist or the hips. I also think this belt is really great if you're trying to get a similar look to the Gucci belt. And the final thing I have to show you is this really simple button down from Blue and Gray. So if you're thinking about grabbing this shirt, I would definitely do what I did and wait for the Loft to do one of their 40% off promotions. Anyway, I really like the relaxed fit of this shirt, and I think it would look really cute with some high-waisted jeans and ankle boots. And I like that it's longer in the back because if I wear it with leggings, it's going to cover my butt. It's also super comfy and surprisingly soft. And I think this is just a really great boyfriend sort of fit button down. And yeah, those are all the pieces I have to show you. I hope you guys like them. I can't wait to start putting together lookbooks. I think you guys are really going to enjoy them. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more from me, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching, and bye!